Every morning, millions of people around the world start their day with one of the simplest foods imaginable: an egg. It sits quietly on breakfast tables, in omelets, sandwiches, and boiled on the side of a plate. For many of us, it's just a routine part of breakfast. But what if this small, ordinary food is actually one of the most powerful natural nutrition sources available? For decades, eggs have been surrounded by debate. Some people once believed they were harmful because of cholesterol. Others praised them as a perfect protein source. So what does modern science actually say? Is eating eggs every day healthy, or could it harm your body over time? Today we're going to explore the science behind eggs and uncover something surprising. When consumed in balanced amounts, eggs can provide a wide range of benefits for the body, from supporting brain function to protecting vision and strengthening muscles. In this video, we'll break down the 5 major health benefits of eating eggs regularly, based on nutritional research and scientific findings. By the end, you may start seeing this everyday food in a completely different way. Let's begin with one of the most fascinating benefits. Eggs are incredibly powerful for brain health and cognitive function. One of the key nutrients found in eggs is called choline, a compound that many people don't get enough of in their daily diet. Choline plays a critical role in the production of a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. This chemical helps nerve cells communicate with each other, making it essential for memory, learning, and concentration. A single large egg contains roughly 120 to 150 milligrams of choline, which contributes significantly to the recommended daily intake. Studies suggest that individuals who consume enough choline may support better brain performance and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline as they age. This is especially important for students, professionals with demanding mental work, and older adults who want to maintain mental sharpness. Including eggs in the diet can be a simple and natural way to support the brain's communication system. The second major benefit of eggs is their ability to protect eye health. In today's world, our eyes are under constant pressure. Long hours in front of screens, exposure to artificial light, air pollution, and natural aging all contribute to gradual vision deterioration. Fortunately, eggs contain 2 powerful antioxidants that play a protective role for the eyes: Lutein and Zeaxanthin. These compounds accumulate in the retina and act like a natural shield against harmful light and oxidative stress. Research shows that lutein and zeaxanthin may help reduce the risk of conditions such as age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. What makes eggs particularly valuable is that the body absorbs these antioxidants more efficiently from eggs than from many plant sources. In other words, a simple boiled egg in the morning could contribute to protecting your eyesight in the long term. Now let's talk about a topic that has caused confusion for many years: heart health and cholesterol. For a long time, eggs were criticized because they contain dietary cholesterol. People worried that eating eggs would increase the risk of heart disease. However, modern research has shown that the relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol is far more complex than once believed. For most healthy individuals, eating eggs does not significantly raise harmful cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs have been shown to increase HDL cholesterol, often referred to as the good cholesterol. HDL helps transport excess LDL, the bad cholesterol, away from the bloodstream and back to the liver, where it can be processed and removed. This process can contribute to healthier blood vessels and improved cardiovascular balance. Additionally, eggs from pasture-raised chickens often contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart rhythm, reduce inflammation, and help regulate blood pressure. Together, these components make eggs far less dangerous and potentially more beneficial than many people once assumed. The fourth powerful benefit of eggs is their impact on muscle growth and body strength. Eggs are considered one of the highest quality protein sources available. They contain all 9 essential amino acids that the human body needs but cannot produce on its own. This makes them what nutritionists call a complete protein. One large egg provides around 6 to 7 grams of highly bioavailable protein, meaning the body can absorb and use it efficiently. This is why eggs are so popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Protein is essential for repairing muscle fibers after exercise, building new muscle tissue, and maintaining strength as we age. Regular protein intake becomes even more important for older adults, as muscle mass naturally declines over time. Including eggs in the diet can help support muscle maintenance, improve recovery after workouts, and contribute to overall physical strength. But eggs don't only support muscles, they also play an important role in bone health. Eggs contain vitamin D, phosphorus, and vitamin B12, all of which contribute to maintaining strong bones and a healthy skeletal system. Vitamin D is particularly important because it helps the body absorb calcium effectively. Without enough vitamin D, even a calcium-rich diet may not properly support bone density. By providing small but meaningful amounts of this vitamin, eggs help support the body's natural bone maintenance process. Many people struggle with hunger throughout the day, especially when breakfast consists mainly of refined carbohydrates. Sugary cereals or white bread may provide quick energy, but they often lead to rapid drops in blood sugar that trigger hunger again soon afterward. Eggs, on the other hand, contain a balanced combination of protein and healthy fats. This combination slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast often consume fewer calories later in the day because their appetite remains more stable. In other words, a breakfast that includes eggs may help reduce unnecessary snacking and support healthier eating habits overall. Now let's address a question many people ask. Is it safe to eat eggs every day? For most healthy individuals, consuming 1 to 2 eggs per day is generally considered safe and can be part of a balanced diet. However, people with certain medical conditions, such as genetic cholesterol disorders, should consult healthcare professionals before significantly increasing egg consumption. Another common question is whether eggs provide omega-3 fatty acids. The answer depends on how the chickens are raised. Eggs from pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched chickens often contain higher levels of these beneficial fats. These versions may provide additional support for heart and brain health. Athletes and physically active individuals may sometimes consume 2 or 3 eggs per day, often combined with extra egg whites to increase protein intake without significantly increasing dietary cholesterol. Sometimes the most powerful health foods are not exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about nutrition and healthy living, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, how do you usually eat your eggs? Boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet? We'd love to hear your answer.